Hi, my name is John. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Sublime Text on Mac. So open up your browser and just search Sublime Text. And it will be the first thing that pop up. Click into it. And go to the top of the web page on the bar. Click on Download. And obviously we're going to go for the OS X version because this is a Mac. But in case you're not sure if it's 10.7 version or later, you want to go to the top left corner of your screen, click on the Apple icon, go to About This Mac, and then you can see your version right here. This is clearly over 10.7. So you want to click on OS X. After the DMG file is downloaded, you can click on it. Wait till it's open. Only take a few seconds here. There you go. And now I just want to drag the icon of Sublime Text into Applications folder. And now this is finally installed. You can search in the Spotlight, Sublime Text. And yes, you allow to open. And there you go. Now we would like to test if this actually works. First, we're going to keep this in the dock. Easier for future use. Now we're just going to do a print statement in Python. See if it can successfully build. Save it by pressing Command S. We just do hello.py here. So the extension says it's a Python file. We save it in desktop. Save. And now we build by pressing Command B to build. And there you go. Successfully built this command. And that's how you install Sublime Text.